Okay, on display here we have the Hisense 13.6 cubic foot freezer with wire shells. Right here is the current pricing for this particular freezer. This is garage ready, so you can put this out in the garage and not have to worry about the cold temperatures affecting the way this unit runs. It does run with lock and key, which is really nice here. It is frost free, it's convertible, it's got the E-Star, and it is temperature controlled. Now let's take a look at the inside of this thing. All right, there are the wired shelves. As you can see, it's got shelving on the side, a basket on the very bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves on here. Right here is your temperature controls in case you want to adjust the temperature on it. And it says no frosts. So you can put a lot in this freezer here. And I like that it is garage ready, because I made a mistake of one time buying a freezer and I put it out in my garage, and I live in a colder climate, and that just ruined things altogether. So $449 for a 13.6 cubic feet freezer, Hisense. Hopefully this gave you guys a general idea of what to expect if you're in the market to buy this freezer.